Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tom Keene with Paul Sweeney and Bloomberg's Lisa Mateo. You can't do Tesla. That's later. What do you got?
Yes, correct. That's after the close. All right, we'll go to Beyond Meat. Okay, ticker BYND.
A Dow
the
component.
plant-based burger sausages. You love them, Tom. Okay, so the shares doubled in pre-market trading, boosting four-day rally to almost 1,300%. So it has like this Mimi. Is Mimi a word? I don't know, but I'm going with it. So following the story. So if you remember back Friday, right, it began to rally. Then it picked up steam on Monday. Business Insider said there was this trader who had been talking about the stock on social media. Then Bloomberg is saying the momentum really picked up because you had the bearish traders covering their bets against Beyond Meat.
Yeah.
You had Round Hill Investments adding Beyond Meat to its Round Hill meme stock ETF.
Okay.
So you have that added to it. And then on top of that, yesterday it said it's going to have more products in Walmart. So all of that together, it's going crazy.
So what I do, because I've had it twice and didn't like it, what I do, they're going to probably send us a case of Beyond Meat now.
Oh, yay.
Punishment. What do you mean, oh, yay? Stick with the burritos and Commonwealth. Equity, 17%. Debt, 83%. Return on invested capital, negative 27%. That off the Bloomberg.
I mean, it used to have a pretty prominent display at supermarkets. I notice now just a tiny little corner of a display, so not quite getting the shelf life. So we'll see. All right,
it is not.
It had its moment.
Could you see Lisa with, you know how they have the little delicate mini tattoos? She could get a mini tattoo of the Beyond Meat stock chart.
Stock chart, exactly.
Continue. What do you got next?
Don't tempt me. Okay, we'll go to AT&T, ticker T. This is the smallest, of the big three U.S. wireless providers. Its shares are up about 1%. So the big news is that it added more mobile phone, home internet subscribers this summer than analysts thought they would. Also picked up new customers for that fixed wireless internet service it has called Internet Air. So if you want the numbers, about 405,000 new mobile phone customers in the third quarter. They had this heavy promo push, right? They were pushing this new customer guarantee. They promised things like a better network reliability, better customer service, the best smartphone deals. Revenue just fell short of estimates. Adjusted earnings per share, they came in line, but it's really those numbers, the subscriber numbers that they were touting.
It's just, I mean, the churn in the wireless business is brutal. It's so competitive here. I've never changed my wireless.
Yeah. I haven't either, because I feel like it's a pain in the neck.
Yes, exactly. I got enough
problems. Then you got to change the phone. I know. You stick with what you got.
The late, great Vince Farrell and I, the last time I saw him before his tragic death from cancer, we were laughing in tears over all the cell phones we were paying for children. I mean, that's the way we roll now.
Yep.
When is the cutoff date? That's what I want.
Yeah, I'm thinking Social Security.
Age? I don't know.
Okay, next you got one more. Slip in here. 30 seconds.
Netflix.
One more.
Netflix, NFLX. Okay, so they had strong programming. I mean, K-pop Demon Hunters. We can't go wrong, right? They had the Wednesday show, Happy Gilmore, the sequel to that. It was pretty bad, but it worked for them, right? Record subscriber engagement, beat in free cash flow, but the shares are down about 7% because there's this multi-year tax dispute with Brazil. Going back to 2022, it cut into its third quarter earnings. They had to pay about $619 million to settle it. So that's the bad news for them. But there's also, other news, possibility of mergers, acquisitions because of that free cash flow money. Could say they may buy some of Warner Brothers Discovery. That's what Bloomberg is reporting, but we shall see.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.